Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Layhill. Local and long-distance movers near me. Relocating someplace far away from your old house can be a little overwhelming. As the moving day is coming closer, your mixed feelings are lagging you behind in packing your stuff and organizing your boxes. We know moving is very stressful, especially if you are moving long distance for the very first time. Instead, hire 3 men and a truck to make your relocating process quick and efficient. We have been moving customers happily to their dream destinations for more than 20 years now. We will handle everything from providing packing materials, packing your stuff to transporting everything in our moving truck. Whether you're moving to a new city, country, or all the way internationally, our movers will ensure safe and timely delivery of your belongings to your new space. Are you relocating your new home or office locally in Layhill? Instead of dealing with packing and moving everything on your own, hire a professional moving company for your moving needs. Our movers are experts in operating local moves. We will handle every aspect of your moving process while saving you time and efforts to focus on other important things. Within a few hours, all your stuff will be packed, moved, and unpacked at your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Layhill moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.